Today, T takes on Google Nest Protect wired smoke and carbon monoxide alarm.
The reason for changing out my alarms is that it's been 13 years since we've moved into the house, and you're supposed to change the smoke alarms every 10 years. Since all the alarms in the house need to be changed, why not upgrade to the latest technology? I recommend labeling each box with a location for each room before getting started. You will need to download the Nest app on your phone for the installation. Simply scan the QR code using the app and follow the prompts.
Hi, hola. Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. It's going to be loud. The test starts in 5 seconds. Press to cancel. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. The test is finished. Everything looks good. Connected.
After completing the first alarm, the Nest app will ask if there are any additional devices. Just repeat the process for each one, and then you can begin the physical installation. Since this is the hardwired version of the alarm, make sure to turn off the power at the breaker for each location. Here, I use my voltage pen tester to ensure it is safe. Installation is very simple. Unplug the alarm, loosen the 2 screws from the mounting plate, remove the old mounting plate, cap off the red interconnect wire with the included wire nut, connect the included pigtail to its respective color, black with black, white with white, push the wires back into the junction box, secure the new mounting plate utilizing the old screws, plug in the wire to the alarm, and twist on. After I install the first alarm, I just repeat it 6 more times. And here's a quick test.
The smoke alarm is over.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next T Takes On.